Kondeipi. What's up? What's up? This is Learn to Speak Shona with Zimbabwe Kid. And it's boiling hot out here. Maskati. Good afternoon. Today we shall learn a few food words. A few words, foods in Shona. Why? Because everyone likes food. I don't know anyone that doesn't like food. So I shall say a few. The first one shall be peanut butter. Peanut butter is dovi. Dovi is peanut butter. And that usually goes on bread. And bread is chingwa. Chingwa is bread. So dovi ne chingwa. Peanut butter and bread. Right? And then the next one is, I guess, meat. That's nyama. Nyama. Yave nyama ekugocha yo. That's that's like a that's like an old song, man. Like an old ancient song, but it gets remixed so many times in Zimbabwe. High schools, they sing it when they go into a rugby match or cricket match or basketball match or something like that. Even at the game or soccer match, they'll be like, Yave nyama ekugocha yo Yave nyama ekugocha. Basically, meaning that's, after the kill, after, you've hunted the animal, you're about to, bride the meat, roast it or whatever. That's roasting is kugocha. So yave nyama kugocha. There is now meat to be roasted. Yeah, that's like a warrior song right there. Anyway, back to the topic. We're talking about foods. We talked about bread. We talked about peanut butter. What's another one? Rice. Mupunga. Mupunga is rice. Yes. And yeah, chicken is huku. Huku is chicken. Yeah. And so yeah, that's it for today's Learn to Speak Shona. You've just learned a few foods in Shona. So when you're ready to order in Zimbabwe and you want something on the menu, you can either ask for sadza nenyama. And sadza is like the staple dish in Zimbabwe. Sadza nenyama. It's like cornbread with, with meat on the side or some soup or veggies. Something good. And that's it for Learn to Speak Shona with Zimbabwe Kid. Zimbo Nexus. Peace.